classics to the latest hits. Local news and events happening around town. Giveaways and lots of musti. This is Namaste Radio. Every Sunday, 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. on 1050 a.m. Studio line 713-984-1013. Listen online at namasteradiohouston.com. Download the app, available on your Android and iPhone. Modern Indian Radio.
Allings would like to thank you for your support during the COVID-19 lockdown and express our highest gratitude to medical professionals and first responders who fight on to keep us safe. Allings is now open for safe distance dining with tables set at least 6 feet apart, following all guidelines and taking precautions for the safety of our guests and staff. See you at Allings for a delightful dining experience. Halal menu available. Visit us at allingschinese.com.
Classy Diva Salon and Spa in Katy invites you to celebrate their 2-year anniversary with double the deals. Come and get a facial done and bring a friend along to get hers done for free.
Classy Diva Salon and Spa is open Tuesday through Friday, 2 p.m. to 7 p.m. and Saturday and Sunday from 12 noon to 6 p.m.
For appointments, call or text 856-693-8970. That's 856-693-8970. Follow Classy Diva Salon and Spa on Facebook and Instagram.
Tired of those law firms you can never reach? Try Donnelly, Ashby & Wynn Law Firm.
Donnelly, Ashby & Wynn Law Firm in Houston is dedicated to providing quality immigration advice and legal counsel to domestic and international companies and individuals. They will also help with deportations, citizenship and naturalization filings, also personal injuries and car accident. They are committed to their clients with prompt turnaround time. Over 30 years of immigration experience. Call attorney Ann Wynn today at 832-646-8448. Donnelly, Ashby & Wynn Law Firm. 832-646-8448.
Naren's Bombay Brasserie, Houston's best restaurant for traditional Indian cuisine. Tandoori specials, poultry, vegetarian items, lamb, seafood, salads, desserts, and much more.
Naren's Bombay Brasserie is now open for dine-in with distancing measures for everyone to stay safe. Lunch buffet hours Monday through Friday, 11 a.m. to 2:30 p.m. Saturday and Sunday, 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. Dinner hours 5:30 p.m. to 10 p.m. 7 days a week. Delivery and to-go options still available. Call Naren's Bombay Brasserie at 713-622-2005. That's 713-622-2005. Located at 3005 West Loop South. Like Naren's Bombay Brasserie on Facebook. What's that sound?
Oh no, it's my electricity bill. डर लगता है इसको खोलते हुए यार.
Me too.
You too?
Na you too, na me too. It's E2.
ये E2 क्या है?
E2 Power is your solution. They can help you to save money by finding the lowest energy rates, the best contract terms, and the right product.
Make E2 Power your trusted resource and power your business or home. E2 Power matches the best electricity plans at the best available rates.
E2 Power ensures they deliver competitive prices and full support at all stages of the process. Even if you need to transition to another supplier, don't worry. E2 Power can help you make that transition smoothly.
अरे वाह, पैसे भी बचाओ और टाइम भी बचाओ.
Call today E2 Power at 832-390-2291. That's 832-390-2291 or visit e2powerhub.com.
The Indian Consulate General and Houston's leading organizations invite you to a virtual global celebration of International Day of Yoga, led by none other than Yoga Rishi Baba Ramdev Live. View basic asanas and techniques with yoga studios around the world. An exhilarating awakening awaits you on Sunday, June 21st, 10 a.m. to 12 noon. International Day of Yoga, live on Facebook.com/India in Houston or India House. Details at yogadayofTexas.org. Namaste Radio.
Powered by E2 Power.
That's right, आप हमें सुन रहे हैं नमस्ते रेडियो पे ऑन द वेव्स ऑफ 1050 AM। मैं हूँ सुशील, मेरे सारे डीजे ढोली दीप और आप सबकी फेवरेट वंशिका।
नमस्ते।
नमस्ते नमस्ते। आगे बढ़ते हुए अगले सेक्शन में, दिस सेक्शन इज ब्रॉट टू यू बाय नन अदर देन, मैं नाम नहीं लूंगा उनका, उनके बारे में बताऊंगा और आप गेस करेंगी। इट्स वन ऑफ द फाइनेस्ट फूड इन ह्यूस्टन विच यू कैन गेट। सम ऑफ माई फेवरेट डिशेज अगर मैं आपको बताऊं तो आप गेस कर पाएंगी। चिली चिकन, चिकन लॉलीपॉप्स, माई फेवरेट चिली पेपर श्रिम्प जो मैं हमेशा खाता हूँ उधर, सिचुअन फ्राइज।
नहीं याद आ रहा, पता नहीं कौन है।
मैनचाओ सूप
नहीं है, कौन है कौन? बोलो कौन है ये?
नहीं याद आया। आगे ठीक है। मंचूरियन चिकन ड्राई जो मेरा उसका मुझे अच्छा लगता है वहाँ पे। दे हैव चिली पेपर चिकन एज वेल, चिकन 88 which is more like a ढाबा स्टाइल टाइप जो चिकन है उनका। हक्का पेपर चिकन ऑफ कोर्स, अभी भी गेस नहीं कर पाए।
शायद थोड़ा गेस हो रहा है अभी।
I think
yeah, I think
ठीक है, इसके बाद तो गेस।
टोफू चिली पेपर भी बहुत अच्छा है उनका,
कर ही पाओगे। सिचुअन फ्राइड राइस,
क्या बात है।
डैश फ्राइड राइस,
बोलते जाइए।
मंचूरियन फ्राइड राइस, हाका नूडल्स। बस
beautiful.
क्या ये आप बात कर रहे हो वही रेस्टोरेंट की जो लोकेटेड है हाईवे 6 और 90 पे?
जी हाँ, मैं उन्हीं की बात कर रहा हूँ जो लोकेटेड है हाईवे 6 और 90 पे, 6542 हाईवे 90।
ये क्या ये वही है जिनका नंबर है 281
2420432?
और ये वही है जिनका खाना आप उबर ईट्स, फेवर और ऐप वही डिलीवरी से मंगा सकते हैं और कब साइड पिकअप भी,
लेकिन डाइन इन भी खुला है ना?
लेकिन डाइन इन भी खुला है।
50% क्या बोलते हैं? परसेंटेज को क्या बोलते हैं?
परसेंटेज बोलते हैं।
हाँ, परसेंटेज,
हाँ।
प्रतिशत डाइनिंग भी कर सकते हैं। उनका फोन नंबर है 281-242-0432। अगर आप नहीं गेस कर पाए अब तक हम किसकी बात कर रहे हैं, तो हम गेस कर बात कर रहे हैं आलिंग्स हाका चाइनीज की।
That's right, Arling's Chinese cuisine.
That's right, guys. They are open for dine-in or to go. Give them a call or visit them. 281-242-0432. थोड़ा टाइमिंग का तो शिफ्ट हो गया, लेकिन हमेशा अपने शो में आपके लिए लेके आते हैं कुछ ना कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक्स। टॉप 10 चीज़ें लेके आते हैं हम कभी कभी। वी हैव ऑलरेडी बीन थ्रू, जब कोविड चल रहा, अभी कोविड है, जब क्वारंटीन चल रहा था, तो थिंग्स टू डू इन क्वारंटीन, things to do. Last week I think we talked about things to do in Houston in the month of May.
And you also did top brands during this.
Oh, that's what we did last week actually. Yes, the most prestigious brands in the world, the top 10 brand in the world. Right. इस बार थोड़ा हटके है. It's not educational this time, informal. तो सोचा जून का महीना है, बॉलीवुड दोबारा खुल चुका है, तो बॉलीवुड के बारे में कुछ ना कुछ करते हैं, बात करते हैं। तो दिस टाइम हम आपके लिए लेके आए हैं 8 Bollywood stars who made huge comebacks after getting hair transplant.
Wow.
क्या बात है।
क्या आप कभी सोच सकते रहे कि आपके बॉलीवुड हीरोज हेयर ट्रांसप्लांट कराएंगे?
मेरे लिए तो ये भी बड़ा एजुकेशनल है
कि हेयर ट्रांसप्लांट कराएंगे।
हाँ, हम सोच रहे हैं अभी।
और मेजॉरिटी ऑफ दी स्टार्स ने आके यूएस में ही अपना हेयर ट्रांसप्लांट कराया है।
यूएस में?
जी हाँ।
क्या बात है।
तो स्टार्ट करते हैं नंबर 1 आपके सेलिब्रिटी से, भाइयों के भाई सलमान भाई।
What? Salman had a hair transplant?
Yes,
क्या किसी ने कभी सोचा रहा सलमान खान के जो बाल हैं वो हेयर ट्रांसप्लांट के हैं?
ओह अच्छा, मैं देख सकती हूँ।
हाँ, आप देख लीजिए, हमारे ऐप पे फोटो आ रही है उनके बिफोर एंड आफ्टर हेयर ट्रांसप्लांट लुक। इन 2007 सलमान खान डिड एन हेयर ट्रांसप्लांट, 2007 में किया था। A few days later, when he came out in the media itself after those 2007, a lot of scars were found on the scalp of Salman Khan, thereby substantiating the rumors of the hair transplant. After the reports, it was found out that Salman went for multiple sessions of hair transplant between 2007 and 2016.
Wow. क्या बात है.
Look at that first look on it.
Yeah.
So have a look.
If you're watching us on Facebook Live, you can see.
You can see the pictures.
कहाँ से कहाँ वो चले गए.
Wow.
तो ये नंबर 1 है सलमान खान। दूसरे हैं, ये भी बहुत जाने माने सेलिब्रिटी हैं, ये और कोई नहीं आपके राजा बाबू हैं।
अच्छा।
कूली नंबर 1 है, हीरो नंबर 1 है।
Are you talking about Govinda?
जी हाँ, I am talking about Govinda. I guess किसी ने ये भी नहीं सोच रहा कि गोविंदा ने भी हेयर ट्रांसप्लांट कराया है।
Seriously?
Govinda completely disappeared from the silver screen for quite some time in 2012. Out of nowhere, he came back in Bollywood and he had hair. His head was full of hair. During when he came back, and of course he had used a DHI hair transplant technique, which is very popular in 2012. You can see the picture on our app, before and after effects of hair transplant on Govinda. मत बोलिएगा कि उसने तेल लगाया था लेफ्ट वाली पिक्चर में. Facebook Live. मत बोलिएगा कि उसने तेल लगाया था. ये तेल नहीं है. You can substantially see the difference between the picture on the left and picture on the right.
Yeah, you can actually.
एक ऐड लेते हैं. गाना लेते हैं. एक सॉन्ग ब्रेक लेते हैं. उसके बाद आप और भी हैरान हो जाएंगे कि क्या क्या सेलिब्रिटीज हमारी लिस्ट में, और प्रूफ है हमारे पास. We have brought you before and after pictures, so stay tuned, don't go anywhere. You are listening to Namaste
You know why I'm ready for this song.
Radio.
Totally.
कैसे मैं बताऊं क्या हाल मेरा है, तेरे बिना हर पल जैसे सजा है. कैसे मैं बताऊं क्या हाल मेरा है, तेरे बिना हर पल जैसे सजा है. तू भी है यही और मैं भी हूँ यही, फिर क्यों दूरी दोनों में यहाँ है. मैं भी तो हूँ मुश्किल में, जो है तेरे दिल में जरा तू कह देना.
Happy birthday, Disha, again.
ओहो, संदीप की दिशा.
मैं क्या जी, हैप्पी बर्थडे दिशा.
Disha.
जी हाँ. सुशील लाए हैं बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग सा टॉपिक कि हीरोज जो हो रहे थे गंजे, लेकिन अब वो ट्रांसप्लांट करा के वो
जो उजड़ा चमन हो रहे थे, सडनली उनके चमन में, बाग में चमन ही चमन है या खिल गए.
या तो लेकिन उससे पहले हम बात करेंगे हमारे फेमस सी अटर्नी की, जो काफ़ी लोगों की मदद करती है और उनके केसेस पे बहुत मेहनत से काम करती हैं. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट अटर्नी एन हुएन फ्रॉम डॉनली एशबी एंड हुएन लॉ फर्म in Houston. Donnelly, Ashby and Huyn Law Firm are dedicated to providing quality immigration service and advice and legal counsel to domestic and international companies and individuals. So आज ही आप कॉल करिए, आपको कोई भी immigration related issue है, even after COVID, anything to do with it, just give her a call, or if you are not comfortable with the call, you can always text her also. One thing I can tell about Attorney Ann is that she's very, very, very prompt with texting, calling. So her number is 832-646-8448. 832-646-8448. Attorney Ann Huyn.
That's right, Donnelly Ashby and Law Firm and Huyn Law Firm. कॉल कीजिएगा उनको. सो संदीप, यू गाइस प्लेड क्विज विद मी, तो मैं ये वाला नेक्स्ट वाला जो है लिस्ट में वो आपके साथ खेलूंगा. आई विल ट्राई टू डिस्क्राइब सम एट्रीब्यूट्स ऑफ दिस सेलिब्रिटी टू यू. Well, his journey a little bit, and then you tell me who this celebrity is, and it might be shocking actually. So he was known as the megastar of the 90s, I can say. 80s and 90s भी बोल सकते हैं इसको. Bollywood's one of the best actors. सुन तो ले पूरी बात. So this celebrity.
Doing what you do.
Got it. So this celebrity was struggling with considerable hair loss, and we will show you the pictures. However, this celebrity does not know defeat, because this celebrity is still one of the top actors in Bollywood industry. He is the only one from his generation who is still there. This man disappeared. His company had huge losses, but when he came back with a game show, and surprisingly, there was a lot of hair on his scalp when he came back in the first season of this game show. बताओ कौन है ये आदमी?
रिश्ते में तुम्हारे बाप.
हाँ, रिश्ते में तो ये सबके बाप लगता है. बायोलॉजिकली नहीं, एक्टिंग वाइज. नाम है इनका शहंशाह
अमिताभ बच्चन.
AB. Big B, जी हाँ. Big B was
Baby kebab.
Chota baby kebab.
Chota baby.
Baby kebab. So Big B is the number 3rd celebrity who got hair transplant done. If you are on our Facebook live app, आप देख सकते हैं.
ऊपर काफी दिख रहा था उनका चांद.
देखो.
Yeah, you can see
Left
that.
side में देखो कि you can actually see his scalp. In right side में you see the picture full of hair. In fact, he was much younger on the left hand side. You can
I'm
see.
assuming this is probably around when he did Hum, right? Like Jummah.
Probably somewhere the 90s में, yeah.
Yeah.
That's when he did it.
Because when he came back with like Mithu Datta and
He had
Saab, then
full of
he had-
yeah.
he's-
Well, Mithilata, I think did he have enough hair? With KBC he came back. Mithilata
okay.
was he lost money, right?
Yeah.
Somewhere the same look. So with KBC, yeah. And look at his hair today. He's full of hair.
Full of it, yeah. Full of
So बाल पे लिखा है celebrity का नाम. Number 3 is Amitabh Bachchan on the list. The first two we've talked about was भाइयों के भाई Salman Khan. Second one was Govinda. Third is AB Amitabh Bachchan. Number 4th on the list. This one should not be any guesses of surprise.
उससे पहले मैं बताऊंगी रूबी जो हमें सुन रही हैं, थैंक यू फॉर लिसनिंग रूबी, उन्होंने बहुत अच्छा डिस्क्रिप्शन दिया है. शी सेज आई गेस वी कैन कॉल दिस सेक्शन एक्टर्स जिनकी बंजर टकले पर खेती उग गई. गुड वन रूबी.
good one.
जिनके उजड़े चमन में
गुजरे
फूल खिल
टकले
गए.
पे खेती खिल गई.
क्या बात रूबी क्या बात. What a name of the section.
उनको रूबी को ज्यादा पता है ना, वो
Yeah.
है पूरा सैलून की भाई ओनर है, उनको पता है बाल कब आने जाने हैं, तो उनको ज्यादा
Right.
पता है.
तो देखते हैं नेक्स्ट वन कौन गेस कर पाता है. ये विल डू द सेम थिंग. मैं नाम नहीं बताऊंगा. आई ट्राई माय बेस्ट टू डिस्क्राइब. तो ये जो चौथे हैं ये भी एक सपूत हैं. सपूत ही इज
Son.
सन एक्टर. और जो इनके पिताजी रह चुके हैं वो भी एक दिग्गज कलाकार रह चुके हैं बॉलीवुड के. अनफॉर्चुनेटली वो ये दुनिया में नहीं रहे, बट सुपरस्टार ऑफ हिज टाइम.
Ranbir Kapoor?
नहीं सुन तो ले. रणबीर कपूर नहीं, ही इज नॉट मालेशिया. इनके बाल की बात करूं. इनके बाप है जो इंडस्ट्री में नहीं रहे. सुपरस्टार ऑफ हिज टाइम. ही मेड हिज डेब्यू. Movie was produced by his father. Movie did okay, reasonably. He's known as a very good actor, one of the finest actors of Bollywood. लेकिन नहीं चले ये. लेकिन जैसे इनका ग्राफ प्रोग्रेस होता गया, मूवीज फ्लॉप होती गई और बाल भी निकलते गए, बाल भी कम होते गए. और one of his last श्रीदेवी की जो लास्ट मूवी थी, he was in that movie.
Oh, you're talking about Khanna, Akshay Khanna.
Akshay Khanna, there you go. जी हाँ, Akshay
Wow,
Khanna.
Look at that difference.
So Akshay Khanna is the other actor जिनके बाल जब स्टार्ट हुए थे तो थे, फिर जैसे मूवी फ्लॉप होते गए तो बाल भी कम होते गए और कम हो गए. अब अक्षय खन्ना को देखिए तो उनके चेहरे क्या सर पे बाल है. Look at our app और आप you can compare the picture left to right.
I agree with you on he is one of. I agree with
Facebook
you.
लाइव की बात कर रहा हूँ मैं.
I
आप
agree
देख
with
सकते
you.
हैं.
He's one of India's finest
Actors, yes,
Yeah.
absolutely. So आप देख सकते हैं. Look at the picture on the left hand side and look at the picture on the right hand side. इनके
चारू ऑल्सो आंसर्ड अक्षय खन्ना.
अक्षय
Yeah.
खन्ना.
Yeah.
ये जो नंबर 5 है हमारी लिस्ट में, ये बहुत लोगों के चाहते हैं. ही इज अ बिग सेलिब्रिटी इन नॉट इन इंडिया बट इंटरनेशनली एज वेल. ये मूवीज में इतने खास नहीं आए हैं, 1-2 मूवीज में ही आए हैं, बट ही इज नोन फॉर स्टैंड अप कॉमेडी. ही इज नोन एज द किंग ऑफ कॉमेडी और किंग ऑफ स्टैंड अप कॉमेडी. आई डोंट थिंक इससे बड़ा डिस्क्रिप्शन देखने की जरूरत पड़ेगी. ही इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट हाईएस्ट टैक्स पेयर्स इन इंडिया. इन्होंने 15 या 20 करोड़ का टैक्स दिया था, बीच में गायब हो गए थे, फिर आ गए. हंसते हैं हंसाते हैं. आप बता दीजिए इनका नाम क्या है.
आई नो कपिल शर्मा.
दैट्स राइट. कपिल शर्मा इज अनदर सेलिब्रिटी जिनके बाल नहीं थे या कम थे. Then he had done a hair transplant. और वो जब आए
उसके
थे,
भी टकले पे खेती खिल गई. ओह वाओ.
that's right, he's India's legendary comedian. Kapil Sharma जिनको हम सब जानते हैं. He was having clear bald patches as you can see on his head which were extremely mortifying for the actor.
सामने भी if you're seeing the Facebook live then सामने भी कितने बिल्कुल बाल कम हैं पहली पिक्चर में.
And after Comedy Circus, he got some recognition and stardom. He had some money, so then he went under hair transplant procedure. That appeared over the cracks on his scalp, which you can definitely see on the left hand side. और right side पे देखिए.
So today I learned the educational session में मैं अभी तक ये सीखा कि अगर आपके पास पैसा है तो आप बाल उगा सकते
बाल
हैं.
उगा सकते हैं. बाल खरीद सकते हैं.
Yeah.
हाँ.
But that's if you want it back.
If you want it back, that's true.
Oh yeah, then you have the Vin Diesel look. I mean जैसे हमारे भाई संदीप सुलहन के पास.
लेकिन everybody cannot carry off the Vin Diesel look ना.
Then for that you have to have the body also ना Vin
That's
Diesel
true.
वाली, जैसे हमारे भाई संदीप के पास
संदीप
है.
के पास. तो एक लेते हैं ई सॉन्ग ब्रेक,
सॉन्ग
उसके बाद आके हम आपको अगले 3 बताते हैं.
जुबां है फीकी शाम से, हुई ना तो से बात भी, बिना मैं तेरे बेमजा हुआ हूँ देखो आज भी. करूँ मैं ये गुजारिशें, मोहब्बतों का मोल दे, नींदों में मेरी ख्वाब का जरा सा मीठा गोल दे. तू बन जा तू मेरी, तू बन जा तू मेरी, तू बन जा तू मेरी इश्के दी चाशनी, ओ मिठी मिठी चाशनी. मैं न मांगूंगा धूप धीमी धीमी, मैं न मांगू चांदनी, मेरे जीने में तुझसे हो इश्के दी चाशनी, ओ मिठी मिठी चाशनी. ख्यालों में जो तू हो तो बातें हूँ मैं अच्छी अच्छी करता हो. देखूं सुबह सुबह जो तुझे तो सारा दिन अच्छा है गुजरता. ये कैसी तेरी आरज़ू, ये कैसी तेरी ख्वाहिशें, तुझी से देखो मैं करूं तेरी ही फरमाइशें. तू बन जा तू मेरी, तू बन जा तू मेरी इश्के दी चाशनी, ओ मिठी मिठी चाशनी. मैं न मांगूंगा धूप धीमी धीमी, मैं न मांगू चांदनी, मेरे जीने में तुझसे हो इश्के दी चाशनी, मिठी मिठी चाशनी.
क्या बात है, कुमार शानू यहीं पे आ गए.
The song was brought to you by none other than we call this business. This business is in business for making people look beautiful, handsome for guys, hunks, and beautiful for females. They have the best Indo-Western collection that I've ever seen. I love their clothes.
Definitely.
In fact, हमारे ढोली दीप ने भी अपने म्यूजिक वीडियो में उनके कपड़े यूज किए हैं. This is none other than India's leading brand, Manyawear. Manyawear Celebration Wear, which we call them, and they're a brand for men, women, and kids. ज़्यादा इनके बारे में बात करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है because there's so many celebrities who have endorsed their brand. It's from Ranveer Singh to Alia Bhatt. जी हाँ, रणवीर सिंह आप देख सकते हैं फेसबुक लाइव में. रणवीर सिंह टू आलिया भट्ट आप सो मेनी अदर. विराट कोहली भी है, विराट कोहली की वाइफ भी है, अमिताभ बच्चन भी है, कार्तिक आर्यन. देयर यू गो. सो मेनी सेलिब्रिटीज हैव एंडोर्स्ड इट. तो उनके बारे में ज़्यादा बात करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, आप जानते हैं ये कौन है. आपको ये बता रहे थे कि ये कहाँ पे है. दे आर लोकेटेड एट 5912 Hillcroft Avenue and they are open now. जी हाँ, they are back in business and they are open, and of course they are following all safety guidelines to keep you and them safe. They're open 7 days a week from 11 a.m. to 7 p.m. वेडिंग्स फेस्टिवल हो या शादी का सीजन हो या कोई भी त्यौहार हो, राखी से रोका तक सब है उनके पास. All types of wear are there. So guys, go and check them out. उनका फ़ोन नंबर 281-501-9933. पूरे ह्यूस्टन में एक ही लोकेशन है, Manyawear on Hillcroft, 5912 Hillcroft Avenue. That's Manyawear Mohe.
That's right, and follow Manyawear Houston on Facebook.
So हम बात कर रहे थे celebrities की, Bollywood stars who made huge comebacks after getting their hair transplant. So far we've talked about Sallu, number 1. Number 2 was Chichi Govinda. Third was AB Amitabh Bachchan. 4 was AK Akshay Khanna. Number 5th we talked about KS Kapil Sharma. और नंबर 6 सो आगे इनका डिस्क्रिप्शन देते हैं. इन्होंने ये भी बहुत बड़े बाप के बेटे हैं. His dad was a very famous actor and then he turned into a politician. इनको ड्रग्स की बहुत प्रॉब्लम थी. इनके हाल ही में इनके couple of years ago इनके नाम पे बायोग्राफी भी बनाई गई है. Not, it's not called biography, that's writing, right? What is when you make a movie on somebody, what is it called?
Biography.
It's not called bio, is writing.
This is called bio.
Filmography or something, I guess. I have to look it up. Maybe I'm wrong. तो इनके नाम पे मूवी भी बनाई गई है. And movie was a big super hit. This celebrity had his hair transplant done as well. His procedure. FUT जो उन्होंने जो procedure कराया था उसको बोलते हैं follicular hair transplant procedure कराया था. And after he was done with the procedure, this star started shooting Agnipat.
Sanjay Dutt.
Sanju Baba.
तो ये जेल भी जा चुके हैं.
जी हाँ, संजू बाबा. Have a look on our Facebook Live. You can see the picture on the left and you can see the picture on the right.
Yeah, there. Look at that.
कितने बाल आ गए.
लेफ्ट साइड में बाल नहीं है, राइट साइड में बाल ही बाल हैं. और जिनके पास बाल ज्यादा हैं ह्यूस्टन में, वो एक ही जगह जाएं बाल कटाने के लिए, बिकॉज बहुत सेफ है. और आई हैव नॉट सीन इतनी प्रिकॉशंस लेके सेफ्टी मेजर्स मैंने और जगह कहीं नहीं देखी है. दैट्स रूबी क्लासी डी वन सैलून. वहाँ जाके अपने बाल कटाइए. नंबर 7 ऑन द लिस्ट, ये इनको खिलाड़ी भी कहा जाता है, कुमारों के कुमार भी कहा जाता है. ही इज नोन फॉर हिज एक्शन एंड स्टंट्स. ये मूवी में एक्टिंग तो उनको आती नहीं थी, तो स्टंट्स के कारण ही आए थे. एंड समहाउ ही वर्कड इन द मूवीज इटसेल्फ. 14 फ्लॉप्स इन अ रो इन्होंने दिए. उसके बाद ही डिड अ ह्यूज कमबैक. ही स्टार्टेड डूइंग डिफरेंट मूवीज विद डिफरेंट डायरेक्टर्स, मोर इन टर्म्स ऑफ रियलिस्टिक टॉपिक्स लेकर उन्होंने मूवी बनाई. एंड टुडे ही इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट बैंकेबल स्टार्स इन द इंडस्ट्री. गेस कर कौन है ये? कौन?
अक्षय कुमार.
Once he said Khiladi.
राजीव भाटिया. That was my mistake. I shouldn't have said खिलाड़ी. राजीव भाटिया इनका नाम है. अक्षय कुमार. एक अक्षय कुमार.
Real name राजीव भाटिया. That's right.
राजीव भाटिया.
जी हाँ. This is so weird. जो 50-60s में हमारे सेलिब्रिटीज हैं, उनके पास इतने बाल हैं, जितने बाल तो वास्को डिगामा के पास भी नहीं होंगे. So कहाँ से आते हैं ये बाल? जाके देखिए Facebook Live. You can see the picture on the left hand side. You can see the gaps on Akshay Kumar's head. Itself, you can see his scalp. Right side में I think ये जो photo है, that's from the movie Gabbar, I think.
Yeah, Gabbar's back.
Right, the Gabbar's back. Look at the amount of hair he has. इतने तो मेरे पास भी बाल नहीं होंगे.
So you mean he did 14 flops in a row, then he?
Yeah, 14 flops in a row. At that time he was thinking of quitting the industry, but then he came back.
Wow, man.
Yep. So that is.
To me, besides Houseful 4, I think he's done so many good ones.
Yeah, those are recent ones. But then he hasn't given a single flop from after Airlift.
Wow.
I think that's where things started looking better for him.
Good.
So that celebrity number 7 was Akshay Kumar. Number 8.
One more, right?
Number 8 ये जो celebrity हैं, he is known for his signature cap. ये टोपी पहनते हैं. I thought the reason ये टोपी पहनते हैं because उनके पास सर में बाल नहीं थे इसलिए. So that's one of the reasons I think. He got very famous. He's a composer as well, and of course singer भी हैं, थे या हैं. But he got famous for his singing style. He had a very particular singing style. इनको कहा जाता था कि नाक से गाते हैं.
Oh, Himesh Reshamya.
Himesh Reshamya, that's correct.
Yes. That's him.
Yep. So signature cap. Himesh and if I'm not mistaken, Himesh used to conceal his baldness through his cap. However, as soon as he started getting movie offers, things changed a great deal. In order for Himesh to make a significant appearance, he needed hair, so he went and got a hair transplant.
बहुत ज़्यादा बाल नहीं आ गए.
I think so. It looks like.
So have a look on our Facebook Live. You'll see the picture on the left hand side. You'll see the picture on the right hand side.
That's right.
Wow. That's.
I think left side पे शायद haircut भी हो सकता है, but definitely we can probably look up a better picture where Himesh doesn't have much hair. But definitely look at the right hand side. वहाँ आपको मालूम पड़ेगा कि कितने बाल है उसमें, which is basically not possible. या तो wig पहनी होगी. I doubt it. So that's hair transplant. So these are our top 8 celebs who did a huge comeback after getting hair transplant done.
Wonderful.
Good section. I love that one. Crazy to see some of those. How much hair they came back with.
Absolutely. तो कहीं जाइएगा नहीं. There's more musty, more music coming your way after these short messages.
We're here on Namaste Radio. Keep it locked here. Don't go anywhere.
Namaste Radio, powered by E2 Power.
Keep it locked. Tired of those law firms you can never reach? Try Donley, Ashby and Wynn Law Firm.
Donley, Ashby and Wynn Law Firm in Houston is dedicated to providing quality immigration advice and legal counsel to domestic and international companies and individuals. They will also help with deportations, citizenship and naturalization filings, also personal injuries and car accident. They are committed to their clients with prompt turnaround time. Over 30 years of immigration experience. Call attorney Ann Wynn today at 832-646-8448. Donley, Ashby and Wynn Law Firm. 832-646-8448.
Dr. Namrata Sharma Goyal at Kidney Health Center has over 15 years expertise in blood pressure control, kidney stone and kidney transplant management, hemo and peritoneal dialysis, specializing in chronic kidney disease from diabetes, high blood pressure, and autoimmune diseases. They promote the use of advanced technology in their business practice and treat their patients with a customized approach. All insurances, Medicare and Medicaid accepted. They have 3 convenient locations for you in Sugar Land, Medical Center, and West Houston area. For Dr. Namrata Sharma Goyal, board certified in nephrology, visit their website at bozenhealth.com or call 713-520-6875 for appointments. That's 713-520-6875.
Classy Diva Salon and Spa in Katy invites you to celebrate their 2-year anniversary with double the deals. Come and get a facial done and bring a friend along to get hers done for free.
Classy Diva Salon and Spa is open Tuesday through Friday, 2 p.m. to 7 p.m. and Saturday and Sunday from 12 noon to 6 p.m.
For appointments, call or text 856-693-8970. That's 856-693-8970. Follow Classy Diva Salon and Spa on Facebook and Instagram.
What's that sound?
Oh no, it's my electricity bill. डर लगता है इसको खोलते हुए यार.
Me too.
You too?
Na you too, na me too. It's E2.
ये E2 क्या है?
E2 Power is your solution. They can help you to save money by finding the lowest energy rates, the best contract terms, and the right product.
Make E2 Power your trusted resource and power your business or home. E2 Power matches the best electricity plans at the best available rates.
E2 Power ensures they deliver competitive prices and full support at all stages of the process. Even if you need to transition to another supplier, don't worry. E2 Power can help you make that transition smoothly.
अरे वाह, पैसे भी बचाओ और टाइम भी बचाओ.
Call today E2 Power at 832-390-2291. That's 832-390-2291 or visit e2powerhub.com.
వింటూ ఉండండి మీ ఇష్టమైన మ్యూజిక్ ఛానల్ నమస్తే రేడియో.
That's right. Welcome back to Namaste Radio right here on 1050 AM. NamasteRadioHouston.com on our iPhone, Android apps, on Amazon Alexa products, and on Namaste Radio's Facebook Live. We have some great news in the sports world because the NBA has officially agreed to come back. That's right. And they have made the arrangements on what is exactly going to happen. So there are, in the NBA, there's 30 NBA teams, but only 22 will be going to Orlando, Florida to play in Disney World. That's right. And then this is how it's going to start. And training camp will begin July 9th to 11th. And then the season will start July 31st. They will finish 8 NBA regular season games. By then, they will know how the playoffs will be when they set up the bracket for the playoffs. So only 22 teams. Yes, 8 teams did not make this comeback because they were already eliminated from the playoffs. So it's no point of bringing them back in. But these 22 teams now, 8 from each conference get to go to the playoffs, but because of their record and they still have a chance to make the playoffs, they had to do 8 more NBA regular season games, and then they will go into the same format they do for the playoffs. Each round, 4 rounds, but each round is the best of 7. So the NBA is back officially on July 31st, and predicting how the finals go and how the playoffs go, it is projected to go up until latest October 12th. Then the following season will begin in December, and then by after that, I'm pretty sure they'll get back tomorrow, just depending on how COVID is going from there. So the NBA is officially back. So sports fans, NBA fans, you got some great news. NBA is back in Orlando, Florida on July the 31st. So NBA is back, and this sports news right here was brought to you by
Ta-da-dum, ta-da-dum,
a man of positivity brought the NBA back. Thank you so much.
Gauri Siddhi Vinayak Temple. जी हाँ, the news is definitely brought to you by, because it's a positive news, by Gauri Siddhi Vinayak Temple, जो अब खुल चुका है, because temples और ज़्यादातर ज़िंदगी अब थोड़ी थोड़ी वापस आ रही है. लेकिन आप टेम्पल जाइएगा तो थोड़े प्रिकॉशन ज़रूर लीजिएगा. टेम्पल इज़ लोकेटेड एट 5645 हिलक्रॉफ्ट एवेन्यू, स्वीट 701 पे. पंडित प्रदीप पांड्या जी वहाँ पे होंगे. 10 बजे से 6 बजे तक टेम्पल टाइमिंग है, और आरती होती है मंडे टू संडे 5:30. तो पंडित प्रदीप पांड्या जी से जाइए, मिलिए. लेकिन दर्शन तो अलाउड है, लेकिन प्रसाद विल नॉट बी डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड, एंड आप भी प्रसाद मत ले जाइएगा. प्रीस्ट से दूर ही रहिएगा. एटलीस्ट 6 फीट डिस्टेंस मेंटेन करिएगा. वो आपके लिए भी अच्छा है और पंडित जी के लिए भी अच्छा है. एंड मास्क ज़रूर पहन के जाइएगा. Again, the temple is located at 5645 Hillcroft Avenue, Suite 701. पंडित जी का नंबर है 832-466-9868. क्योंकि अगर कोई भी पूजा आपको करनी है, कोई भी क्वेश्चंस हैं, कॉल करिएगा उन्हें 832-466-9868 पर. Just follow them on Facebook. Gauri Siddhi Vinayak Temple of Houston.
That's right.
एंड आगे बढ़ते हैं थोड़ी. अभी संदीप ने NBA के बारे में तो बता ही दिया, लेकिन बिफोर वी गो ऑन अ सॉन्ग ब्रेक, लेट मी क्विकली टेल यू अबाउट, कल वर्ल्ड एनवायरनमेंट डे था, राइट? तो हमें सबको यही लगा कि पैंडेमिक था, सब लोग घर पे थे 2-2.5 महीना, तो बहुत फ़र्क पड़ा होगा. बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली द CO2, the carbon dioxide in air, hits new record high. Earth's atmosphere never experienced this level in several million years.
Wow.
So the US government data revealed that despite the worldwide lockdown and economic slowdown, the levels were 31% rise was there in the levels in the global CO2 level compared to the past 62 years.
Wow.
So हम सबको यही लगा था that कम होना चाहिए, but that didn't really help. But that's because the CO2 has been in the atmosphere for centuries. So just a brief decline is not going to help. But yes, it was the highest
Wow.
in several million years.
Wow.
Wow.
बट फ्रॉम व्हाट आई नो पप्पू इज प्रीटी यंग. वो अभी तक वो स्टेज पे पहुंचा नहीं है कि उनको हेयर ट्रांसप्लांट करने की जरूरत है.
उनका अभी तक टकला नहीं है
ना, अभी तक उजड़े चमन नहीं हुए हैं पप्पू जी.
Okay.
Yeah, he's still. I think he's still relieving his shock from the black tie only event.
Dang, that sounds really disgusting though.
लेकिन एक जोक है मेरे पास. Of course, nothing to do with पप्पू. जोक या सवाल या whatever you want to call it. एक स्पोर्ट है. एक स्पोर्ट है. स्पोर्ट. हाँ, तो एक so एक स्पोर्ट है. So there's a group, you know Sindhis, right? Sindhis, हाँ. So why are Sindhis banned to play hockey and football? Do you know?
To play hockey and football?
हाँ, Sindhis को hockey और football खेलना allowed नहीं है.
Why? Is that?
Because corner मिलते ही ये लोग दुकान खोल लेते हैं.
Oh, that's a good one.
I love you, everybody, Sindhis, all my friends.
Because they're known as businessmen. तो जैसे कोना मिला कोना, हर कोने पे दुकान नहीं होती, shops. So that's what the joke is.
क्या बात है. और दुकान खोलने पे मेरे पास एक न्यूज़ है.
क्या न्यूज़ है?
जो गवर्नर एबॉट ने बोली है.
उसने भी दुकान खोली है?
नहीं, उन्होंने फेज 3 अनाउंस करते हुए ये कहा है कि तुम दोनों के लिए all the bars can go up to 50% capacity. और संदीप ने इसका बड़ा फायदा उठाया ये वीकेंड. We will get to that. And all the restaurants can go up to 75%.
Excellent. मैं तो बार्स के बारे में ये बोलने वाला था, जब 25% था तभी हम नहीं गए तो 50% पे क्या जाएंगे. वैसे we can go after the show.
Absolutely.
That's not bad. संदीप ने तो फायदा उठाया होगा. I'm knowing संदीप.
No, just one.
Just one.
That was a.
That's it. Just one drink.
But ठीक है, एक गाने की तरफ बढ़ते हैं.
Yeah.
And let's come back.
Then I'll tell you about that one.
Yes.
खुद तो दुनिया को बोलता है मारो पैक 3 बार और he just has one.
That's very true, actually. Nobody's brought that to my.
Take it away. अपनी तो जैसे तैसे थोड़ी ऐसे या वैसे हो, अपनी तो जैसे तैसे थोड़ी ऐसे या वैसे कट जाएगी. आपका क्या होगा जनाबे आली, आपका क्या होगा. अपने आगे ना पीछे ना कोई ऊपर नीचे रोने वाला, ना कोई रोने वाली जनाबे आली, आपका क्या होगा.
What I did, I said people on the floor. Coming in some more.
That's right. This segment is brought to you by none other than. अगर आप पैसे बचाना चाहते हैं, पहले आपको ये आपके जवाब हाँ है तो फिर सुनिएगा. क्या आप पैसे बचाना चाहते हैं? क्या आप गर्मी के मौसम में वाकई में पैसे बचाना चाहते हैं?
हाँ.
ठंडी ठंडी हवा का मजा उठाना चाहते हैं?
हाँ.
और वो पैसा कहीं और खर्च करना चाहते हैं?
हाँ.
तो बॉस, और कंपनी ढूंढने के हेडेक से भी मुक्त होना चाहते हैं?
हाँ.
क्या आप चाहते हैं कि फ्री में कोई और आपके लिए काम करे?
बिल्कुल.
Definitely.
तो एक यही कंपनी है जो ना U2 ना Me2. It is called E2.
It's E2.
It's E2 Power. That's right. If you're paying too much for your electricity bill, समर आ रहा है, अगर आपके कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स खत्म हो रहे हैं तो guys, you don't have to do your research. जैसे पहले मैं करता रहा. I used to go आई यूज्ड टू गूगल अप डिफरेंट कंपनीज 10-15 फिर उनके रेट्स उनको क्या बोलते हैं इलेक्ट्रिसिटी फैक्ट लेबल शीट उनकी चेक करता रहा टू सी व्हाट वुड सूट मी द बेस्ट. उसमें मेरे काफ़ी टाइम निकल जाता रहा, 1 घंटा से 1.5 घंटा 2 घंटा फिर डिसाइड करने में, फिर लुक एट द लेंथ ऑफ द कॉन्ट्रैक्ट, फिर उनका कैंसलेशन पॉलिसी वगैरह. सो काफ़ी टाइम निकल जाता रहा इसमें. बट थैंक्स टू E2 आई डोंट हैव टू डू दैट एनी मोर. आई जस्ट गो ऑन देयर वेबसाइट एंड दे हैव ऑल द रेट्स फॉर मी. ऑल आई हैव टू डू इज जस्ट put in some information that what's my electricity usage and what's the price I am paying currently, and they will find me the best deal themselves, and all I have to do is just go and select. So it's within 5 to 7 minutes you can actually save a lot of money, especially coming in this summertime jahan pe electricity bills बढ़ जाते हैं. So guys, go on their website and check them out. It's e2powerhub.com, e2powerhub.com, or you can give them a call at 832-390-2291. That's 832-390-2291. You absolutely don't have to spend any kind of money. It's a free service for you. So contact them.
Jihan, earlier during the show when Manize from E2 Power was on air, one thing I really loved what she said was, if you have your commercial, electricity through E2 Power, they will rope the residential in.
Yeah.
So contact them for sure.
That's right.
तो हम बात कर रहे थे कि गवर्नर एबॉट ने बोला है कि क्लब्स कैन हैव 50% ऑफ कैपेसिटी अप टू 50% कैपेसिटी. सो संदीप, how was this 50% capacity?
No, it was good. We did have our Club Z event. It was good. First of all, it just felt really, really good to be back. The moment I even just pulled up to the spot, I was like, wow, this feels
good to be back to normal.
Yeah, definitely. And another reason why I was excited about it is because Zishan, the club owner, invested in the sanitizing machine. And
tell us something about that, because I was sharing it with a few of my friends, and they were excited to know that something like that is there.
So it's a big sanitizing. It's almost the size of like a TSA X-ray machine. You walk through it and you have your hands up and it scans you. But yeah, you walk through it and it sanitizes your whole body, and the sanitizing is good for 24 hours.
And if you are watching this on Facebook Live, you can see Sandeep pura mask laga ke club mein baitha hua hai.
I know. Well, the reason why I wore that mask too, it's a skeleton doing the dab. Yeah. But it was fun. But it was good. Good turnout. There was around. His capacity legally is around 900.
900, okay.
Right. But we had a couple hundred people come. But even when you walk in too, he also bought a X-ray little scanner
for the fever.
For your fever. And if we get a green light, we're good to go.
Oh, by chance if somebody comes like me, सच में party करनी है और किसी में red light आ गई तो? What if somebody's like, they don't have COVID but they're just naturally hot? Like hot.
Yeah, then we're still...
Like Nora walks in, it goes like 106. Will you not allow her?
110. No, she's allowed upstairs in the VV.
Oh, in the DJ booth तुम्हारे साथ?
Yeah, exactly.
But great, it is good to see slowly everything is trying to, life is getting back to normal.
Life is getting back to normal, and it was fun just being there. Of course, we love to fill up the place, but it was good to at least slowly be back to normal.
That's right. Great. I'm glad you had a good Friday evening party at Club Z, and congratulations to you and to Zishan, and happy birthday to him.
Yes, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Zishan.
And जहाँ हम बात कर रहे हैं life is getting back to normal, let me talk about Classy Diva Salon and Spa, क्योंकि इधर भी सब normal है, and they are celebrating. So again, congratulations Ruby for the 2-year anniversary. Double dhamal. So double the deals. Buy one facial, get second free. Buy one root touch-up, get second free. Buy one full face, get second free. Buy any full waxing and get second free. So do not wait. Call or text Ruby for appointments 856-693-8970. It is located in KD 937 South Mason Road. तो उनके जो अभी आजकल टाइमिंग्स हैं ट्यूसडे टू फ्राइडे 2 से 7 बजे, सैटरडे संडे 12 से 6 बजे. तो अगेन अगर आपको ये टाइमिंग पे नहीं जाना है, कुछ आपको थोड़ा इधर उधर उधर आपके पास टाइम नहीं है ये ओपन टाइमिंग में, तो आप रूबी को कांटेक्ट करिए at 856-693-8970 and follow Classy Diva Salon and Spa on Facebook and Instagram.
Let's get into our last song here. Right after that, we'll do our closing statements right here on Namaste Radio 1050 AM.
तेरी गली में भी आना स्टार्ट कर दिया एक तेरे नाम अपना हार्ट कर दिया करने लगा आँख मटक्का तो आज बन गया पक्का
आज अभी मैंने तेरा बाइकाट कर दिया तेरी सारी हरकतें मैं तो नोट करूं तुझे थाने में ले जाके मैं रिपोर्ट करूं
कर ऐसे फाइट पर मूड करूं मैं लाइट तुझे सीन में दिखा के फिल्म गोल माल के तेरा ही लिखाया मैंने वेडिंग कार्ड पे आया दिल्ली वाली गर्लफ्रेंड छोड़ छाड़ के तेरे लिए ही तो सिग्नल बोर्ड डाल के आया दिल्ली वाली गर्लफ्रेंड छोड़ छाड़ के
Delhi wali. Perfect.
P.
Would be nice. Delhi wali.
You have Delhi wali girlfriend?
A few of them.
Few of them. Sushil, you ever had a Delhi girlfriend?
I have a Bangalore girlfriend then who became my wife. No, I never had a Delhi wali girlfriend. I don't trust the Delhiites.
But you know, right? Technically, I'm a Delhi born person.
तुम
I was
डिसाइड
born
कर
in
लो यार
Delhi.
तुमने पहले बैंगलोर की और दिल्ली की मुझे कंफ्यूज मत किया करो
मैं खुद कंफ्यूज हूँ. मैं इंडिया
I know.
मैं इंडियन हूँ. इंडियन भारतीय.
हाँ तो सब भारतीय हैं हम भी भारतीय
लेकिन अब
हैं
वो भी नहीं रही. मैं अब अमेरिकन सिटीजन. हाँ बता.
American.
अमेरिकन हो गई हूँ.
तुमने सवाल कुछ और किया था
Yeah, I was very fortunate that I've lived in so many different places in India, not just one place. पैदा हुए वहीं पे
क्या
बड़े
दो ही
हुए.
तो जगह है नॉर्थ और साउथ कहाँ रही हो
How sad. So for you, East lives matter.
East life.
if there's any Mumbaiite right now listening to the show he will understand what I'm saying Mumbaiite के लिए
मुंबईकर.
मुंबईकर के लिए India is divided only into 3 parts एक है नॉर्थ बीच में आता है मुंबई नीचे आता है साउथ दैट्स इट ऊपर वाले सब नॉर्थ इंडियंस है नीचे वाले सब साउथ इंडियंस है
I just feel sorry for
इडली
you. all.
डोसा मसाला पोरियल वगैरह इट्स ऑल वन फॉर अस
Oh, I love Poriel, by the way.
Make me more hungry right now.
we don't discriminate Karnatakans या Magnorians वगैरह हमारे लिए वो सब there is no discrimination it's all south
It's all south.
I mean, Mangalore is in Karnataka. Seriously, don't even know your geography well.
ना हम इंडिया में पढ़े ही नहीं
Oh yeah, I forgot. You never studied in India.
there you
But
go
आगे बढ़ते हैं. Sandeep, anything that happened during this week जो struck a chord?
Oh, he did a lot of things that struck more than a chord. I'm pretty sure he did.
Yeah, no. Oh, one thing I mean, besides a great party on Friday, my Peg video just crossed 10 million.
Party,
Thank you,
party,
yeah,
party.
Exactly. That's why the bars are even increased now, right? Perfect timing.
Perfect timing.
Perfect timing.
Sure.
Other than that, no, I think just no matter what, just ups, downs, just keep going. Can't stop, won't stop. Stay positive. And that's it.
What went up and what went down?
What went up was the fact these views, these parties, just staying positive, and then down, I guess, just social media just was becoming like total. I think I couldn't even open it because I was like, all I
Chaotic.
see is just chaos. That's
Chaos,
it.
yes. And in between that, thank you, Charu. He will never understand. I totally agree with you. She says Sushil will not understand.
Yeah.
We don't need to. इडली डोसा मिल जाता है मसाला डोसा मिल जाता है It's okay. चारू
चारू
का
next
खाना भी
time
मिल जाता
मत
है
बताना वो पीनट चटनी और डोसा इस आदमी के लिए.
नहीं चारू तो हैदराबादी खाना बनाती है ना हैदराबाद is हम अलग हो रहा है साउथ से
How about you guys? Anything that struck you?
Sushil?
That struck me not lightning
Thank God.
Hope not.
What struck me नहीं यार ऐसा कुछ खास नहीं हो रहा है the only thing there is one thing that struck me actually but yeah I think I got over it pretty fast as well हर जगह बोला जा रहा है कि social distancing करो keep 6 foot distance away ये फालतू में our governor Abbott he wasted 2 months of our time making everybody sit at home closing businesses and made a lot of businesses go out of business actually and I think I'll blame him for that because if this was so important then we would not have those rallies that we had in downtown with 50 to 60,000 people I mean what the hell was that about
Yeah.
so agar what happened with social distancing that's one thing me and Vanshika were talking about
What
so
happened
agar so agar I mean if there's you're not going to hold those people against not citation nahi doge unko fayda kya hua 2 mahina Houston बंद करने का you made a lot of people jobless Governor Abbott you made a lot of businesses go out of business is because you basically did not do, or even the mayor didn't do anything to implement any safety measures. Where in downtown, where people were walking side by side, all they had was a face mask. What happened to social distancing? Keep 6 feet distance away, and 50 to 60,000 people. Those people might become super spreaders, and they will go and spread coronavirus all over Houston, thanks to you guys. So.
Yeah, food for thought. But I
you?
think
What's
हर
the
चीज़
key?
important थी. At in March when our leaders जो भी बोलो, that was important too. The cause had its own reason and was important too. But I agree. It felt like because it felt like COVID-19 है ही नहीं ना था कभी. The way everybody was out. I know a lot of people went there to support and nobody is saying कि cause अच्छा बुरा. लेकिन cause के लिए जाना या कुछ करना एक अलग बात होती है. लेकिन the world we are living in right now, it's a very different world right now. So I thought precautions were supposed to be taken. I have my own thought and about it, but
Yeah.
कुछ कर नहीं सकते. It has already happened. Only thing I was reading, there was a picture which showed the fear and coronavirus ka like a graph. So in March, COVID-19 was less. The fear was more in March and April.
Yeah.
In June, the number of cases of COVID-19 are more and the fear has gone
Less.
down the drain.
Yeah.
So that is some mentality that I cannot wrap my head around that. That how did so many people take so much
about that,
risk, but I guess the cause behind that was so big that they thought that was more important than social distancing. उसी बात पे आप सब सेफ रहिए. आपकी तरफ से जो हो सकता है to take precautions. We all have to go back to work. We all have to do what we have to do. So take precautions, stay safe for people around you, your loved ones, anybody, for even a stranger, and for yourself.
That's right. Closing statement, Sushil.
Food for thought for this week is silence and smile are two powerful tools. Smile is the way to solve many problems, and silence is the way to avoid many problems.
That's right.
So keep that in mind. Silence and smile.
And smile. Smile. That's right. Yeah, I'm just going to stay the same and say stay positive. Can't stop, won't stop.
मेरी तरफ से भी हम तीनों की तरफ से
That's right.
Namaste.
We will see you back next week. And don't forget the podcast will be up tomorrow. And don't forget to subscribe to all of our social media pages. And if you have any feedback, want to advertise with us, any other deals, email us namasteradio3@gmail.com. That's namasteradio3@gmail.com. Have a great evening. We will see you back next week for Namaste Radio right here on 10:50 a.m. for 1 p.m. to 5 p.m.
Namaste Radio, powered by E2 Power.
Keep it live.